to see your piece actually, see it all come to fruition, see it installed, see how the colors work, the size, the scope. It's an exciting day. My name is Matthew Placzek, and I'm the sculptor for the exterior pieces at Children's. They all are a part of this theme where the children are just expressing joy and playfulness with their umbrellas, and then you find out that these umbrellas light up at night, and it's almost this kind of whimsical transportation up the side of the tower. But the sculpture also symbolizes nurturing, caring, and hope and safety. So that's kind of what the umbrella symbolizes as well.
We use art as really a care model. So we use healing arts for some of our patients that are having difficult treatments, and we use art throughout the building as a way for our kids to get up, to walk around, as much as we use it as something just to bring a little bit of joy in what sometimes can be really hard days.
It's a thrill to be able to actually do a sculpture of this size in your hometown and be able to complete something that becomes kind of an icon for the area.
Children's is so grateful to all of the generous donors that supported the arts that we have in the Hubbard Center, because it really does make a difference to our patient families and creates an environment of joy.
Children's Hospital has such a tremendous reputation across the country, and I'm proud to be a part of that.